We're going to make some snowflake art today. Start by writing your name in the bottom corner of your piece of paper. Now I'm going to show you how to draw a basic snowflake. So I am going to start out by drawing a letter X. Then I'm going to draw one line going up and down right through the middle of the X, and another line going side to side through the middle of the X. And there is a very simple snowflake. Now, when you add other designs to your snowflake, make sure that they show radial symmetry. That means they should look the same going all the way around the snowflake. So any designs I add to one of the lines in my snowflake, I have to add to all the other lines to make it look the same all the way around. Again, this is called radial symmetry. Symmetry in a circle. Once I'm done drawing my snowflakes with pencil, I'm going to outline them with a Sharpie marker. For the rest of my snowflakes, I'm going to just keep using the Sharpie, but you will continue drawing with pencil first and then going over those pencil lines with the Sharpie. Notice how each time I draw a snowflake, I do the X, and then I draw one line up and down going through the X, one line side to side going through the X, and then all my designs that I add to my snowflake show radial symmetry. They're the same going all the way around the snowflake. You can do any kind of designs you want on your snowflakes as long as they show radial symmetry. And please draw enough snowflakes to fill your piece of paper. You can make some big and some little to show some variety. I'm done drawing my snowflakes, and now I have some pieces of tissue paper in cool colors, like blue, purple, and dark green. Cool colors remind us of things that are cool or cold, so these cool colors are perfect to add to our snowflake artwork. I'm laying the tissue paper down right on top of my drawing. I'm overlapping some of the pieces so that they might mix together once I add the water. So add lots of pieces of tissue paper on top of your snowflake drawing, and you can even overlap them. Now I have a cup of water and a paintbrush. I'm going to dip the brush in the water, and I'm going to gently dab or spread water over the tissue paper. This helps the tissue paper stick to my white piece of paper, and it's going to help the color from the tissue paper bleed into the white paper. So it's kind of turning the tissue paper into paint. I'm being really gentle and making sure none of my tissue paper gets super wrinkly or folded. It's okay if it does, you can fix it, but just try to be very careful. I'm making sure that all of my tissue paper gets wet, otherwise the color will not bleed into the paper. I'm also making sure not to lift up any of my pieces of tissue paper once they are wet, because they'll need to sit and dry for a while to really make the color come out. So just know that the tissue paper is going to stay on your paper until it's completely dry. All right, I'm done wetting the tissue paper, so now I'm going to let it sit and dry.